We're here on the streets asking you what you're worried about. What's your biggest worry?
Getting infected. Yeah. Like for no particular fault of my own.
Touching your face. Because I first thought it was coughing on others.
I think that at some point we're going to have to start looking at more social isolation.
I just want to protect myself.
How to do that? David's on it.
Okay, we're in a pandemic, but most people are going about their daily lives, going to work, doing all of that. What do we need to know to stay safe? You kind of need an infection control and disease specialist, and we've got one. Dr. Susie Hoda is with the University Health Network here in Toronto. We'll take a walk here, Dr. Hoda, just trying to understand, you know all of this. What are you doing different in your life now?
Well, I think the most important thing to me is making sure I'm cleaning my hands all the time.
How many times a day are you cleaning your hands?
That's a really good question. I feel like it's many, many times a day. I'd say 50 times a day.
Really?
Depends on what I'm
50 times
doing.
a day, yeah. And what about handshakes? Are those out for you now?
I've been actually stepping away from handshakes for a while now.
Door handles, doorknobs, all of that, what are you doing?
Yeah, so those kinds of items are really heavily contaminated. Everyone's touching them. My way of approaching that is just cleaning my hands after I touch them.
How do you get to work?
I take public transit every day.
All right. Should we go inside, down into the subway, and you can talk about precautions?
Absolutely, let's do that.